Good morning, class 12th. In accountancy class, today is our new chapter and that is issue of debentures. इससे पहले बेटा हमने issue of share किया था and there is same lump sum same accounting treatment for issue of debenture. The difference is amount received from the share will be treating as a share capital, but the amount received from debenture will be treating as a loan. So in accounting treatment of issue of debenture, the difference is we write debenture instead of share, and there are a particular percentage of debenture, just like 10% debenture, 11% debenture, 12% debenture. So that when the percentage is given with the debenture, it shows the rate of interest on debentures, right? So here is the accounting treatment of debenture, and in the example number 1, the statement is Govind Limited issued 5,000 12% debenture 100 each at par. So our topic is issue of debenture at par. It means when the face value of the debenture is rupees 10 and it is also issued at rupees 10, this concept will be known as the issue of debenture at par. So Govind Limited issued 5,000 debenture 100 each, 20 on application, right? 20 on application, 20 on allotment, 20 on application, 20 on allotment, 30 on first call, 30 on first call and rupees 30 on final call. Right? Company invited 5,000 debenture but the public applied for 6,000 and 4,500 debenture accepted full, and the categories is 4,500 debenture accepted full, and who applied? The debenture holder who applied for 800 debenture, company allowed them 500, right? And the debenture holder who applied for 700, company give them nil. So we had to make the journal entry in the books of the company. So first of all, the first journal entry is bank account debit to 12% debenture application account. It must to write the percentage with the debenture. So the entry is bank account debit to debenture application account. 6,000 debenture is received and the application money is 20. 6,000 multiplied by 21 lakh 20,000, and the narration is debenture application money received. After that we have to make the entry of pro rata allotment. So how can we make the pro rata allotment? 12% debenture application account debit 1 lakh 20, right? But the public applied for 6,000, company issued 5,000 debenture. So according to 5,000 debenture, amount is transferred to the debentures account. बेटा शेयर में हम एंट्री करते थे शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल, उसमें हम शेयर कैपिटल में ट्रांसफर करते थे, लेकिन इसमें हम डिबेंचर्स में ट्रांसफर करेंगे. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एंट्री ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल वी राइट हियर डिबेंचर. शेयर कैपिटल का शेयर पे रिसीव्ड मनी एप्लीकेशन मनी शेयर कैपिटल में ट्रांसफर होता था. यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन डिबेंचर का रिसीव्ड होके कहां ट्रांसफर होगा बेटा? टू 12% डिबेंचर अकाउंट. सो 12% डिबेंचर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट 1 lakh 20 to 12% debenture account 5,000 multiplied by application money 21 lakh rupees is transferred to debenture. Now the excess money is adjusted towards the allotment. Here is the category 4,500 वालों को full मिले तो there is no problem at all, but the problem is arises in which the debenture holder applied for 800 debenture but the company give them 500, so there is an excess debenture of 300 and multiplied by application money 20, so 6,000 rupees is excess received by the company. These are to be adjusted on the allotment. So to 12% debenture allotment account, 300 is the excess debenture, 300 multiplied by 26,000 adjusted on allotment. And the category, the debenture holder who had applied for 700 debenture, company nothing debenture are issued to them, so their application money are to be returned back. So here is to bank 700 debenture into 20 multiplied by application money 14,000 will be returned back. So amount of 6,000 will be adjusted on the allotment and 14,000 will be returned back. This is the entry for pro rata allotment, and the narration is amount of excess money adjusted on allotment and returned back. Right? After the pro rata allotment beta, we have to do the allotment on debenture. So the entry for due the allotment money is 12% debenture allotment account debit to 12% debentures account. Company issued 5,000 debenture and the allotment money is rupees 20. So 5,000 multiplied by 20, 1 lakh rupees से हम allotment due करेंगे and the journal entry is 12% debenture allotment account debit to 12% debenture account rupees 1 lakh and the narration is allotment money due. So after due the allotment, company received the application money. अभी कितना अलॉटमेंट का मनी रिसीव होगा बेटा, हमने ड्यू किया 1 लाख से, लेकिन 6,000 हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक्सेस पड़ा हुआ है. 6,000 एक्सेस मनी इज एडजस्टेड ऑन द अलॉटमेंट. सो 1 लाख माइनस 6,000, 6,000 तो हमें ऑलरेडी रिसीव हो गया, तो हमें लेना कितना था 1 लाख. 6,000 ऑलरेडी रिसीव. नाउ 1 लाख माइनस 6,000, 94,000 अब हमें रिसीव होगा. एंड द एंट्री फॉर रिसीविंग द अलॉटमेंट मनी इज बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू 12% डिवेंचर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट 94,000 and the narration is allotment money received. After that, the company due the first call and the entry for due the first call is 12% debenture first call account debit to 12% debenture account. Company issued 5,000 debenture and the first call money is rupees 30. So 5,000 multiplied by 30, the first call money is due with rupees 1,50,000. After that, the company received the first call money and the journal entry for receiving the first call money is bank account debit to first call account with rupees. First call money is received by all the debenture, but one shareholder didn't pay final call. So first call received by all the money 1,50,000. Right? After that, the company do the second and final call, and the entry for second and final call is 12% debenture second and final call account debit to 12% debenture account. 5,000 multiplied by 30, 1,50,000 से हम फर्स्ट कॉल ड्यू करेंगे. राइट बेटा, बट वन डिवेंचर होल्डर who hold 200 debenture, he doesn't pay the final call money. This amount will be deducted on 200 debenture, 30 rupees per debenture final call, 6,000 rupees is not received by the company out of 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 minus 6,000. Now company received the money on first and final call is rupees 1,44,000 and the entry, journal entry for receiving the money is bank account debit to 12% debenture final call account with rupees 1,44,000 and the narration is final call money is received. So student, this was the concept of issue of debenture at par and example number 1. Now you are able to do your back exercise question up to question number 3. I hope the concept is clear to you. You have to complete your back exercise question. Thank you.